Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the LivLab Mker Laundry Detergent Dispenser, which we think is the best powder detergent container you can get right now. Whether you're dealing with laundry powder, pods, or even laundry boosters, this container has all the features that will make your laundry day so much easier. First, let's talk about the design. This dispenser is made from clear PET material, which is durable and transparent. This means you can easily see exactly how much detergent or pods are left inside, so you don't run out unexpectedly. The transparency also adds a sleek, modern look to your laundry room, keeping things organized and tidy. One of the standout features of this dispenser is its one-press lid. If you've ever struggled with opening a container with wet or soapy hands, you'll really appreciate this feature. The lid is designed for effortless access, making it easy to pour out your detergent, even when your hands aren't completely dry. No more fumbling around trying to twist or pull open a lid. Just one press, and you're good to go. The LivLab Mker Laundry Detergent Dispenser also comes with a measuring cup that has clear markings. This allows for precise measuring of your laundry powder every time, which is essential for ensuring the right amount of detergent is used. You don't want to overuse detergent or waste it, and this feature helps you avoid that issue. Another impressive feature is the thickened sealing ring around the lid. This silicone gasket is designed to protect the contents of the dispenser from dampness, ensuring that your detergent stays dry even in humid conditions. It's a simple but effective way to maintain the quality of your laundry essentials and keep everything fresh and dry. Now, when it comes to capacity, this dispenser doesn't disappoint. It comes in multiple sizes ranging from 2.8L to 11L, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Whether you're using powder laundry detergent, scent boosters, or dryer sheets, there's a size that can accommodate all your laundry products. This makes it easy to organize your laundry room and keep everything neatly stored in one place. Overall, the LivLab Mker Laundry Detergent Dispenser offers an excellent combination of convenience, durability, and functionality. From the easy-to-use one-press lid to the included measuring cup and thick sealing ring, this container is designed to make your laundry tasks much smoother and more organized. If you're looking for a way to keep your laundry room neat and your detergent stored properly, this is definitely the best powder detergent container for you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.